Okay, just got a little project going on the Mustang here. Of course, I got these drum brakes on the front and ordered a Scarebird kit. We're gonna be putting it on, and just wanted to make a little video about it. Here's my old drum I took off in my hub, and so the hub was on it like that, and I say you can press it out, but I mean I do it the old-fashioned way. I've done it before. I just put some nuts on there, hit it with my sledgehammer, a little bit on there, and it's separated off the drum. So anyway, so I got these hubs taken to the machine shop in the morning, and then I'm going to bring them back here and install them, and we'll go through the process here. I did buy a kit last year, went ahead and fixed these old things up, but decided I'm going to go ahead and turn this into front disc. I'll still have the drums on the rear, but we're going to go disc on the front. So anyway, all right, so we're going to make a little video, and we'll let you see how it comes out. All right. Okay guys, just want to continue this little video. I'm working on putting on my my Scarebird kit that I'm converting over to disc from these drums. And anyway, so there's the old drums. Took them off. The thing's about shot. The hubs for this install, you have to take your hubs off, and of course have them machined. Took them to the machine shop. Guy down the street charged me about 50 bucks to machine them down, so they fit into the rotors. And there they are in the rotors. Just test fit. Okay. And these rotors and everything. This kit from Scarebird is basically these plates and some hardware, and then the rest of the items I got from Rock Auto, and altogether I think with all the parts is about $230 for the kit, and then the machine shop add on another 60 bucks for that. So you know, about 300 bucks for this is a good price. You get got all Ray Bestos brand, and got some nice pads to go on it, semi-metallic. And anyway, so while I was doing this project, I decided to go ahead and upgrade the spring purchase. Went ahead and got these off of eBay. These are real nice roller spring purchase, and these are ones I got off of eBay, and they seem like they're really nice construction. I've seen some other ones. This part over here was like a little welded bar in between. These are really look more solid than the other ones I've seen, and they look really nice, and they're serviceable. If you want to service them, you can change the bearings out in the future. But yeah, these are real nice. I went ahead and bought them for a couple $100 bucks. I think it was $1.99 for the set, and I got those, and I'll go ahead and put those on there. Of course, this is a proportion valve for the put that on the line going to the rear brakes, so you can adjust that so that you'll get most of your pressure to the front when you do your disc brakes conversion. Anyway, so we're getting started on this, and I'll I'll link some videos together and show you how this process goes, and we'll get it done. Okay. Easiest way to do this is with a impact. Put you a 4-foot piece of 3/4 pipe on here before you start torquing down on this, and it'll make it real easy. Just real quick, got some brake lubricant. I'm gonna lubricate these studs. Go into the brake there. And just a couple of points that you want to lubricate on these calipers. Okay. Okay, just continuing on my little Scarebird installation here. Okay, so anyway, got the plates mounted. These are pretty much what you get from Scarebird, you know. And of course, the rest of the parts I got from Rock Auto, which is my rotor and my this here. Okay, and the pads and these extra long hoses, and had these hoses did have a little mounting bracket on there, and I carefully cut them off, you know. So anyway, okay, so let me get this thing put on here. I'm good. Put this rotor. Of course, you got a little bit of shoulder on these studs, the wheel studs, so I'm just using my step bit here, trusty step bit. Gonna drill a little bit out of the rotor here. I'm just gonna drill down a little bit. I'm not gonna drill all the way through, and just make a step in there so it'll fit on. Okay, so let's see how it comes out. Okay, just to finish up with you, all right, so I got the caliper and the rotor installed. Everything is all tightened up, and all I got to do is bleed it out, and everything seems to fit pretty good. So just to show you how it went, and also, of course, I got a valve down here that I installed. Ran about 50 bucks for the proportion valve. Put it on the rear brakes, because they're still drums. And whenever I get everything up and rolling and running, I will adjust that, you know, accordingly. Just put more pressure toward the front than the back. Okay. All right, well, that's it. Just wrap it up. Just want to make this little video. Have a good one.